wanted to change a subscriber's email address without adding a completely new subscriber? Or maybe you wanted to find out how often your subscribers want to hear from you. With the Preference Center, your subscribers have the option to update their preferences as well as their own information. Let me show you how it works. To get started, click on Account Settings and choose the tab Preference Center. If you do not have this tab, it might be because you're not on the advanced plan, which you can check right here. Once you're in the Preference Center, you'll see two tabs, the Preference Form tab, and that's where you can edit your forms, and Subscribers Activity is where you can see all of the changes your subscribers have made in the Preference Center. But more on this later. So let's make some edits. Click Edit Content to open the drag and drop editor. Click on any block to open the sidebar. And here you can also move each element by clicking the 6-dot icon and dragging your block to wherever you like. Or use the trash icon to delete certain blocks. Speaking of blocks, you can find 8 different ones in the Blocks tab to add images, text, videos, and much more. In the Settings tab, you can change the width of the blocks and the spacing, and even add a sidebar under Additional Settings. To add or edit fields that your subscribers use to update their information, click on the edit icon of the field block. Under the Form tab, you can click the edit icon on each individual field to change the field and its label. If you want to make a field required, make sure to tick this box and save your changes. To add another field to the form, click Add Field and select the edit icon to choose any of the fields from the drop-down menu and save your changes. You can also go to the Settings tab to change the font colors, the sizes, borders, background colors, font styles, and more. If you want to ask your subscribers about their preferences, the frequency of receiving your newsletters, drag the Preferences block into the editor. But here we're already updating the preference block, so let's do it. Click Edit, and here you can change the type of answer to be radio buttons or checkboxes or a drop-down menu, as well as change the questions and answers. Head over to the Rules tab to set up actions that can happen when your subscribers choose their preferences. Click on Add a Rule and select the question in your block that you want to create a rule for. Choose if you want the action to happen when the question is answered with any answer or with a specific answer. Now, if you choose a specific answer, you can select that answer right here. And in this example, we'll create a rule for subscribers who want to hear from us weekly. Then choose the action you want to occur. We want our subscribers who choose the weekly option to be added to a group, and that group is the weekly newsletter. This way, we can easily segment the subscribers so we know who wants to hear from us weekly. Now, this step is necessary because segmentation does not happen automatically. So make sure to set up these rules in advance if you're using the Preferences block. Over in the Settings tab, you can change the answer layout and many other design options. Just make sure to click the Save button in each step once you've made any changes. There are 3 pages to the Preference Center. In the Success tab, you can edit the page that your subscribers will see when they successfully submit the form. And the Confirm tab is what subscribers will see when they change their email address. They will then receive a confirmation email to initiate the change. To add the Preference Center to the newsletter, open a regular campaign or any automation email in the editor, scroll down to the footer block and click the Edit icon. In the Content tab, scroll down to the Unsubscribe section. Now here you'll see a checkbox to include a link to your preferences page and an option to change the default text. When subscribers click this link, they will be taken to the Preference Center you just designed. If you want to add a link to your Preference Center anywhere else in your campaign, you can do so by using the Preferences variable to create a direct link to your Preferences form. Your variable should look like this with an opening curly bracket, $, preferences, and closing curly bracket. You can even create a button using this variable. Simply place it in the URL field of any button, and the subscribers will be able to click on this button to access the Preference Center. To check the changes your subscribers are making, go to Account Settings and into the Preference Center tab. Go to Subscribers Activity, and all of the changes that your subscribers make will be recorded right here. You can also check any updates for specific subscribers under their profile. And that's it. You are ready to increase your subscribers' engagement using the Preference Center. Happy mailing! Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.